आरोग्य मंत्रालयाची पत्रकार परिषद सुरू आहे, थेट प्रक्षेपण.
Those efforts are also now leading some good results, and I am hopeful that we will be able to manage the situation. Similarly, with respect to N95 masks also, we have been in touch with various buyers whom we have identified across the country. We are also coordinating with states in terms of ensuring that based on their demand, whatever support and facilitation needed to be done at the Government of India level, we are able to provide it to them.
156.
मैं अशोक हूं और मेरा सवाल मैम से है कि जैसे कि प्राइवेट एयरलाइंस ने भी ये ऑफर किए हैं कि जो माइग्रेंट्स अलग अलग राज्यों से जा रहे हैं, महानगरों से कहीं अपने गांव की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, अगर सरकार इजाज़त दे तो उनको हम अपने एयरलाइंस के थ्रू करेंगे. इंडिगो, स्पाइस एंड गो, ये 3 एयरलाइन सामने आए हैं और ये अपील की है. क्या आने वाले टाइम में ये इनकी इजाज़त सरकार की तरफ से मिलेगी?
जैसा आपको पता है, लॉकडाउन का मेन उद्देश्य ये है कि जो व्यक्ति जहां है वहीं रहे. मैंने पहले भी कहा कि हम चाहते हैं कि जो व्यक्ति जहां वहीं रहे, वहीं उसको हम सुरक्षित और सुचारू रूप से सेफ रख सके. तो मेरे ख्याल से हम उसी डायरेक्शन में चलेंगे.
अभी हम ऑनलाइन क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं. द कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी हैज फ्लैग्ड गैप्स इन द सर्विलेंस ऑफ ट्रैवलर who came back to India prior to March 5 when the universal screening began. How many such people are yet to be identified? There is a similar question. There is a possibility that there may be gaps in number of persons coming from abroad and number of persons being monitored. How to ensure that all persons are monitored properly?
So what Cabinet Secretary has written the letter to the Chief Secretary which is being mentioned. It is a letter which is part of our routine communication with states, wherein we have requested that while we comment that they have done excellent good work so far, also in terms of monitoring all the passengers, we have effectively requested them that kindly continue with that same pace, continue with that same momentum, and ensure that all international passengers, the list of which it has been given by the Bureau of Immigration, they also should be monitored till the logical end in terms of our incubation period of 14 days and 28 days in terms of the overall monitoring. This is part of our regular communication with the states to ensure that collectively states and Government of India work together to ensure that no cases are found and we are able to monitor all the international passengers.
41.
कितने राज्यों ने डेडिकेटेड कोविड-19 के लिए अलग से अस्पताल बनाए और कितनी बेड कैपेसिटी है सबकी?
देखिए, जैसे मैंने आपको कल बताया था कि हम स्टेट्स के साथ एक कंटिन्यूस कम्युनिकेशन अप्रोच से काम कर रहे हैं. जैसे जैसे सिचुएशन इवॉल्व हो रही है उसी हिसाब से गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया और स्टेट्स का रेस्पॉन्स बढ़ता जा रहा है. तो जैसे कल मैंने आपकी नॉलेज में लाया था कि 17 स्टेट्स में ऑलरेडी कोविड-19 डेडिकेटेड हॉस्पिटल या ब्लॉक्स बनाने का कार्यक्रम शुरू हो चुका है. और उसी के तहत ही जब हम अभी बात कर रहे हैं तो हमारे स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय में सारे स्टेट के एमडी, एनएचएम्स और गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल के साथ एक और डिटेल डिस्कशन वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है कि जिन स्टेट्स ने अब तक आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है उसको वो कैसे इक्विप करें और एडिशनल स्टेट्स कैसे और एडिशनल ब्लॉक्स और एडिशनल हॉस्पिटल्स को उस कोविड डेडिकेटेड 19 हॉस्पिटल के रूप में तैयार कर सकें. ये एक ऑनगोइंग एफर्ट है और इसका एक ही जो हमारा जो थॉट प्रोसेस है वो ये है कि इन टर्म्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टेट शुड हैव सफिशिएंट कैपेसिटी एज एंड व्हेन केसेस कम.
Online question. On account of OPDs being closed, is there an alternative suggestion to the patients who might still require care? What can they do if they really still need to see a doctor? What is the protocol in such cases?
So there is a very positive news I brought to your knowledge just now. We have already issued national telemedicine guidelines. This facilitates the process wherein doctors sitting at their home can provide services to the patient, and we would really urge and request all citizens to kindly take advantage of it. All doctors also to utilize this as an opportunity to provide services to the community.
21.
from the week. My question is to Dr. Ganga Khetkar. Dr. Ganga Khetkar, now that NIV has isolated the virus, where do we stand on research on the vaccine and drugs? The global race for drugs and vaccines is on. Where is India in that race?
We have prioritized. No? One needs to prioritize. You have finite resources, you have finite manpower, so you need to prioritize what you would like to do right now. One thing which we have prioritized is ICMR will try to look at repurposed molecules, go for their ex vivo or in vitro testing on the isolates that we have already generated, so that we get a clearer clue whether the drug works in the laboratory against this particular strain, and if the drug works, then we can take it up for subsequent trials. The initial priority in developing drugs is more towards repurposed moleculs than new molecules, because new molecule research tends to take far longer a time, and we don't have so much of time when we are facing this particular infection. When it comes to vaccine, what we have done is we have asked DBT to undertake the vaccine development program well, because we don't have that kind of capacity which DBT has. It's also another sister ministry that we have. So DBT will try to look at this particular issue. At the same time, we are also keeping a watch on some of the scientific groups that are working on vaccines. Currently, there are altogether 30 different vaccine groups which are working on developing vaccine, of which at least 5 are already going to animal research, animal toxicity studies. What we have done is we have indicated our willingness to go for vaccine trials if they become ready, if they pass out animal study for our own Indian population. In order to look at the newer drugs that might come, we are also likely to start our participation soon in solidarity trial that WHO is starting. Earlier we did not do it because our numbers were so small that our contribution would have had looked minuscule and it would not have had looked proper. So that way we are using this base pretty strongly. At the same time, we are making an effort to develop indigenous diagnostics. You must be aware that National Institute of Virology develops indigenous diagnostics, and so far as these diagnostics are concerned, for dengue, for chikungunya, for many such diseases, we are main suppliers to the government National Vector-Borne Diseases Program.
मोठं संकट देशावर ओढावलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे केंद्रीय आरोग्य मंत्रालय रोज पत्रकारांशी, प्रसारमाध्यमांशी, त्याचबरोबर आलेल्या देशभरातून प्रश्नांशी उत्तरं देत आहेत, त्यांच्याशी संवाद साधत आहेत आणि हे रोज जसं आपण नित्यनेमाने एखादं काम करावं तसं केलं जात आहे का, तर कुठलीही अफवा पसरू नये आणि काय सुविधा उपलब्ध करून दिलेल्या आहेत त्या अनुषंगाने लोकांपर्यंत त्या पोहोचाव्यात. या बुलेटिनमध्ये इथेच थांबतोय. पहा फक्त न्यूज 18 लोकमत. घरी रहा, सुरक्षित रहा.